Hello, Namaste. Today, we are introducing you the luxury SUV Rolls-Royce Cullinan Black Badge. Rolls-Royce Cullinan Black Badge, a dark symphony of luxury and power. The Rolls-Royce Cullinan Black Badge is a masterpiece of automotive engineering, redefining luxury and performance. It's a bold, rebellious expression of the Cullinan, designed for those who dare to challenge the norm. Features and functions. Exterior. Darkened chrome accents and bespoke black paintwork. Unique 22-inch wheels with a darker finish. Bespoke Spirit of Ecstasy emblem in dark chrome. Lowered suspension for a more aggressive stance. Interior. Bespoke interior with dark chrome accents and carbon fiber trim. Illuminated fascia with a unique black badge graphic. Bespoke leather upholstery with a unique diamond quilting pattern. Unique clock with a darker dial and red needles. Performance. Twin-turbocharged 6.75-liter V12 engine with 600 horsepower and 664 lb-ft of torque. Bespoke suspension tuning for a sportier ride. Unique exhaust system with a deeper, more menacing sound. Technology. Advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. Satellite navigation system. High-end audio system. Panoramic sunroof. Price. The price of a Rolls-Royce Cullinan Black Badge varies depending on specific customizations and options. However, it typically starts at around $350,000. Pin-to-pin. While the exact pin-to-pin configuration of the Cullinan Black Badge is proprietary information, it's safe to say that it's a highly complex and sophisticated system. The vehicle's electronics are integrated seamlessly, ensuring a smooth and luxurious driving experience. In essence, the Rolls-Royce Cullinan Black Badge is a statement of individuality and power. It's a car that demands attention, yet offers an unparalleled level of comfort and refinement.